I barely learned about the concept of multiplying your money and your wealth a few years ago, and it happened to be with Bitcoin. Like I dollar costed average at the height of the 2020 era, and I just happened to get lucky. I was like, I didn't even know what I was doing, and I looked back at my portfolio. I was like, oh shit, this is like significantly higher than it was. And I get it. Like you have to figure out how to multiply your money and your wealth. Otherwise, you're going to stay stuck. And for me, the best way to multiply the wealth is to stuff it into Bitcoin. It's a very volatile asset.
You don't see it as a risk?
No, I don't. I don't see it as a risk because I feel at this point, I'm too far behind to learn real estate. I feel like I never jumped into real estate, so I never made the investment in learning it, investing in it. So at this point, I knew Bitcoin pretty well, and I just continued to learn it a little bit more. So I feel for me, it's not the most riskiest because in the space of Bitcoin, it is the most conservative bet to make.
But there's ups and downs.
Absolutely.
In real estate, in Bitcoin. So what do you do when you're in a down market? Are you still holding?
I'm holding. I hold it as a long-term hold. I will hold Bitcoin probably for the next year and a half, and then I'll reevaluate if I'm going to take some off the top or let it go for the next 10 years. I feel it's a long-term hold.